most innovative air conditioner to date, the TCL CoolPro FreshIn 2.0 Breathe Plus Live Cool Inverter Air Conditioner. My name is Gab Bayan, a TV host and anchor from PTV4 or People's Television, and I will be your host for today's event. So as we all know, the Philippines is a tropical country and we are currently in the summer season. Yeah? So the question is, what is the coolest beach to have the hottest season here in the country? So aside from our planned beach trips this coming Lenten season, of course we always depend on our air conditioners. As they say, in AC we trust. So now, here we are finally introducing the most innovative and revolutionary AC product to date. As we all know, that TCL is a leading brand in consumer electronics, providing the top key innovations and design enhancements when it comes to the latest line of air conditioners. Applause for Mr. Loyal Cheng.
Good afternoon, esteemed guests from the media. Warm welcome. It has always been our mission to bring exceptionally good and technology-updated product to the homes of every Filipino. Take this opportunity, I'm pleased to share that TCL has attended the following milestones through the dedication of our teams and TCL products. As of 2023, TCL has attained the #1 rank in terms of market share of both value and volume for TV business. Also, with great privilege to announce that TCL is also the #1 for high-end television, which is the QNET segment, according to TISR research. And for our washing machine business, we are also making good progress as we are now the market leader in terms of the volume for front-load washing machine. These past years, our aircon business, which is our highlight for today, has made great strides in the Philippines. We also have attained rank #1 for split types and the total inverter aircon. Where the total industry has suffered because of the pandemic, TCL has risen to be one of the most important players in the appliances industry. We have sustained a 34 average growth rate for our total business in the past 3 years. It has been a surprising development that our aircon conditioner products has risen to a popularity in the Philippine market, as evident from our previous information. I would also like to say that the average growth rate of our aircon business is also an amazing 60% year by year. Today, I hope that everyone will enjoy this event because we will unveil the new generation aircon. Thank you very much, and please enjoy. Thank you.
Cool Inverter Air Conditioner. Once again, the TCL CoolPro FreshIn 2.0 Breathe Plus Live Cool Inverter Air Conditioner. A round of applause, everyone. is set to give you the clarity of comfort like never before. So in the count of 3, okay, it will be revealed. So guys, help me to count in 3, 1. There you have it. Welcome to the refreshing innovation of the TCL CoolPro FreshIn 2.0 Breeze Plus Live Cool Inverter Air Conditioner. So Sir Bert, Sir Jay, kindly remain here for some photo ops with our
FreshIn second generation 2.0. And another is, for example, the Blue Wing. This is unique, different as...
Keep it for your presentation.
Okay. Yeah.
Well said, Mr. Bert. No. Am I right that you just flew from China?
Yeah.
Going here?
Yeah.
Are you familiar with some of the Filipino words already?
Yes, of course. Mabuhay. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Okay, Sir Jay, before we let you go, one last quick Q&A, okay?
Sure.
For our friends from the media. How does TCL stay ahead of the curve in terms of technological advancements, especially here in the Philippines? Now, you have a lot of competitors, right?
You know, I have been in TCL for 14 years, and it has always been our mission to bring updated and upgraded technologies to the homes of our Filipino brothers. As much as possible, we'd like to keep things as affordable as possible, right? For any price bracket, for any price point, we make sure that we are technologically more advanced than our competitors. Like, I'll give you an example, and it's also going to launch this month. We have an economical inverter model, window type, that could compete with non-inverter models of our competitors. So, with this notion in mind, that we really do bring quality products at a price that's, within reach, we make sure that we don't cut corners in quality. We are a vertically integrated company, meaning we manufacture everything. We assemble everything. And we do not require any employment of third-party manufacturers. We do that for others, actually. So, with this in mind, even if our prices could be more affordable, but I'll assure you that in most cases, we are more technologically advanced. So, I hope that answers your question.
Well said, Sir Jay. A round of applause. Ako, personally, as a TCL user myself, I agree with the quality and affordability. So, Sir Jay Guanzon, a round of applause, ladies and gents. We'll call you back again. Sir Bert, kindly remain here on stage. So, once again, Mr. Chung will...
Okay, once again, good afternoon everyone. I introduce myself again. I'm Bert John, Product Manager for TCL Air Conditioning Solutions Technologies. And I have something interesting surprise to share with everyone today. But before we get into that, please allow me to first thank the Filipino people for warmly accepting TCL air conditioning and solution products and supporting its meteoric rise to market dominance in the Philippine market. So, in just 9 years in the Philippines, TCL has sold nearly 800,000 units and has ranked #1 in volume for split-type air conditioners and #1 in total inverter air conditioner sales in the Philippine market, according to TRSR. Though, through the years of doing the business here in the Philippines, we have managed to sustain an average growth of 57%, providing the support and love of the Filipinos for the air solutions products that we unveil year on year. Well, this year, there is no different as TCL embarks on yet another mission to revolutionize air conditioning in the Philippine market, as we all know it. So, air conditioning and refrigeration technologies are among the most important engineering milestones of the 20th century. Since then, these advancements have changed our lives for the better, offering comfort and improving our health throughout the years. Since its inception over 120 years ago, we have witnessed how air conditioning technologies has evolved. From production capacity enhancements to the shift from non-inverter to inverter motors. And air conditioners are now made even smarter and more energy efficient to improve the health of millions of people through the advanced technologies to be introduced to you today. Our esteemed CoolPro series, the Breathe Plus.
Event today. I'd also like to shout out our honorable Xandro Cruz, who's also with us.